So in today's video, I am going to show you that how you can make this poster just using Pixellab and Lightroom. So without any further delay, let's get started.
So first of all, I will add this shape for making our background. Now I will add an image which will work as a texture for the shape PNG. I will change the color tone by filtering the shape color. We'll add 2 more rectangular shapes for our background, masking out the extra parts by the masking option. Now, repeat the same process for the other rectangular shape. Remember that you will get everything that is being used or going to be used later in this project. All things you can get it from a link given in the description below. We'll add some more textures for the background and going to decrease their opacity. Let's start adding our subjects. Let's add some shadows for giving it a better and realistic look. Now I will add more players from the same team. Let's add some details with text. So our Pixellab works are done. Now we can jump into Lightroom. Let's add some cinematic flair to our poster. Play around with the lighting to make those characters pop, and don't be afraid to go wild with the colors. And there you have it, folks, your very own football poster. So this was for today. See you on another video. Till then, be smart, be safe, be creative.